Hi everybody, it's Kim. Welcome to my car. Today I'm going to be doing a short little lunchtime shift. It's 11:20 right now. I just finished one delivery. I invite you to come drive around with me as I do Uber Eats, Doordash, and Grubhub. Doordash has been acting really weird, so I'm not sure it's actually working. Nobody else is reporting it down, so I'm not sure. Anyways, I just did a Grubhub. I hate Grubhub actually, but since Doordash was acting so strange, I decided I should probably turn it on. And then I got one that was $13.60 or something like that for 3.8 miles. So yeah, I'll do that. Fortunately, it was from Jinkies, who is a very slow restaurant. But I was at least 15 minutes away from there. Well, my own fault. But because I was going to pick up my Panera drink first. So, anyways, did that. Just dropped it off. No problem. Now, I have nothing, but I'm I'm not really near anything. So, it's going to be really hard to get any orders way up here. Last weekend was fantastic. I really did great. It was Halloween weekend last weekend. Did a good job. Everything went really smooth and made some decent money. It was awesome. So anyways, today started out okay. My husband and I went out last night. We did really great. For like the first 45 minutes, we had $52. And then absolutely nothing for a half hour. And then we finished up getting an extra 30 something. I think we were just a little over 2 hours, 2 hours and 15 minutes or something like that. For like, we ended up getting $92, I think, which is good. If that half hour of dead time would have been filled with something, it would have been even better. But yeah. It's a gorgeous day. It's a little on the chilly side, but I think it's going to warm up. It's 65 right now. Bright blue sunny skies. And we're supposed to get a lot of rain this coming week, so I hope it actually happens. My son's family lives in Coeur d'Alene. They got snow already, which is so awesome. Anyways, I'm almost back to where some restaurants are, so I might start getting some offers soon. So anyways, I invite you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I appreciate that. And those of you who are already subscribed, thank you for doing that and welcome back. Give the video a thumbs up. That would be great. And yeah, so I'll keep you posted what happens here. I'm going to turn this off so I can concentrate on my driving. And hopefully I'll get a good offer to tell you about. So far I have $13.60 maybe, and I have, well, I left the house at 11:05, and it's 11:25, so it's actually been 20 minutes that I've been actively doing this. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I accepted one. It's a Cheesecake Factory, $10.50 for 2.9 miles. It's just a kid's meal with a drink, so I'm sure it's not going to be any more than that, but it's okay. Today's kind of dead. That was a Doordash, so Doordash is working. That's the absolute first order I've received from them, and I've had the app on for 45 minutes. Well, it's 11:45 right now, and I turned it on about 11. So that was the very first
Stay in the second lane from right.
offer I've received, period, from Doordash, which is very that's not normal.
Turn left to merge onto CA 20.
Normally, I would have had 15, 20 offers from Doordash by now. So I'm not sure if it's dead, if the app was glitching, or if there's just a ton of drivers out today. Who knows? Oh God, it was so gross. So this guy at Cheesecake Factory, a Doordash driver, was holding the bag of food in one hand, standing by his car smoking. Okay, great, you know, you want to smoke, whatever. But he was like exhaling into the bag of food almost. It was, ugh. Like those poor people, their food is going to have his smoking exhale in the bag. Oh, it was gross. I don't know. I am not a smoker, never have been a smoker, and I just cannot handle that smell. And to know that that guy was just, he could care less about those people's food. Let's just put it that way. Anyways, so I am on my way to this house. I will hopefully get something quickly after that because it's only $10, but it's okay. So I'm not going to have very much this hour. So it's 1360 plus 10. Wow. By the time I'm done with this, it's going to be almost an hour. So that's pretty bad. If it continues like this, I'm just going to end and go home because I have a ton of stuff to do today. I don't need to be out driving. I was just kind of hoping it would be good like last weekend, but so far, no. So anyways, yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, as soon as I dropped off that Cheesecake Factory, which was ready, by the way, when I picked it up, which was fantastic, I got a Taco Bell for $10.25 going 3.7 miles. So I took that one. It's heading back towards my house. I think it's going to be my last one.
The destination is on your right, 3306.
Because I will be, let's see, by the time I'm done with this, it'll be 12:30, it'll be an hour and a half, and I will just have like, wow, not even $40. So, yeah. I just think today's just not going to be my day. But that's okay, you know, it can't always be fantastic. And today is just not. I think because it's beautiful outside, and we're expecting a bunch of storms next week. Maybe people are out doing things today, and that's the difference. But, you know, is what it is. It's fine. I've got so much to do. I don't need to be doing this. The only reason I am out is because I scheduled a Doordash block ahead of time. But yeah, I have a million things to do. So this is just kind of an annoyance at this point because the orders are just not there. So I'll be going home after this. But thank you for coming with me anyways. I know this was kind of a bummer and it kind of sucked. Basically 3 orders in an hour and a half. And it's not like I'm turning any down. I'm not even getting any. So, yeah. Oh, let me tell you, the app was really messed up when I was trying to deliver the, whatever it was called, Cheesecake Factory. So I clicked, you know, finish delivery steps or whatever it says when you're there to take the picture. It would just spin and spin and spin, and then finally the picture thing, you know, take a picture. So I clicked on that, spin and spin and spin. It never let me take the picture. Whoa, dude. So I just left. I knocked on the door so that he knew the food was there. And then as I'm driving, literally probably 30 seconds later, it let me take a picture. So I just shot a picture out the window. And then it spun and spun and spun. I had plenty of coverage, cell coverage, so that wasn't the issue. I think it was the app. And I'm hoping that it doesn't happen again this time. Anyways, when I finally did hit that, you know, complete the order and delivered it, then immediately I got this Taco Bell. And I'm thinking, oh man, I probably shouldn't take it. But I did, and the app's been fine so far. So let's hope that whatever was going on, it's fixed now. The Doordash app just really adds stress that doesn't need to be there. I don't know. Anyways, so I've got about 2 miles before I'm at this person's house. So I'm going to go, and thank you for watching. Whatever it is up here, add 1025, I think, for this order, and then that'll be that. So, yeah.